Hello and welcome to Super C. Today we'll learn a trick on doubling a number. Let's say I have one cat over here. How will I double it? I will simply add one more cat. So the double of 1 is 2. Similarly, what if I have two cats? So what will I do? I will double these cats. That means I want two more cats. So how many cats now do I have in total? 4 cats. That means double of 2. If I add all these, I will get as 4. So this is how we double any number. Wasn't that easy? See you in next video. Bye bye.